Hey guys, so welcome back again to my channel. So this is a wig that I colored in my last video. If you have not seen that video, I am going to be leaving the link up there so you learn how I colored this wig. So this lace, prior to that, this lace I mistakenly tore this lace, so this is what it's looking like, and when you wear it, it's kind of like obvious when you wear it. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that quickly. If you have a torn lace, it can be a bigger hole than this or anything. So first off, you're going to go ahead and flip that lace over, and this is my transparent um thread and the needle that I use. Everything that I use will be linked on my Amazon storefront under beauty. So this is a piece of lace that I had and I placed that on there. So yeah, this is the rope that I'm using. It's so transparent, like you guys, I couldn't believe how transparent this rope was and how it actually did such an amazing job. So you're just going to put that through in your needle. I think we all know this part, and then you're going to hold down and carefully sew through the round of the lace that you put on there. I think it's very practical. You can just watch and see what I am doing. Here I had I mistakenly pulled it too quickly or too early, and I had that rope on there, but I just quickly fixed it by just cutting it off and continuing my sewing. You can see how it's going, and yeah, you guys, this was so good. After fixing that lace, I was just so happy that I can finally wear my wig without it looking funny, with the torn place. So I was just so excited. And also, do you guys know that I offer services for wig revamp? Like if you want me to revamp your wig, I have that service. So you can click on my website and also book for a wig revamp. So you get in your wigs and you get it back, yes, revamped and looking so good. And of course, I'm also reminding you guys that I have some bundles in stock. I have like amazing bundles in stock. My bundles are bundles you will use as much as you like with my clients. I sew in whenever they take it down. I also reuse the bundles. It's just how good my bundles are. And I also have some bundle deals going on, and with that you get 3 bundles and a closure with the bundle deals. That is a super good deal if you ask me right now. And I also have glueless wig and wigs that you can actually ready to wear wigs that you can actually take to your stylist, and your stylist will do whatever you want with it, style it however way you want with it. So don't forget to check out my website and check out my Shopify store. So after sewing, you're going to go ahead and make a knot like this, kind of like sealing the deal of the whole thing so it doesn't loosen up. And I actually like this thread. I was scared that it wasn't going to, like, the knotting would not be good, but it actually did a very good job. The knotting held it real good and it was just perfect. So you're going to go ahead and go do this knotting as many times as you can to make sure that everything is sealed. You can see me going in and in and in again, so make sure that you do this too. Then I went in with these little scissors. I'm going to cut around the cut off the extra lace on there, and I'm just going to go around and make sure that it's well cut and very neat, so you don't even notice that there is anything on there. So look at that wig. This is me flipping it over. If you remember in the beginning what my lace looked like, and look at it, zero detection. Like you can barely see, you cannot see, not even barely, you don't see nothing. It's as clear as anything. Like look at that lace all cleaned up. Yeah, be sure to follow me, or be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and let me know more the type of content that you like, or any other tutorial you want me to do. Just let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Don't forget to share this video, please, to go ahead and share, and don't forget to leave a comment on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.